Yeah, hi guys. So this is an application which is called Code Analyzer, a simple application which is created by Trello files. So I'm using Svelte in the front end and Node.js in the back end. So yeah, so basically this is the documentation of the Trello. So basically those who don't know, Trello is a platform where the developers are provided with tools, workflows, and infrastructure to manage their files in our application. Okay, so there are a lot of items which Trello gives us. So basically, all the file uh, operations like manipulation, upload, delete, download, image manipulation, PDF manipulation, video manipulation, etc., etc. So there are a lot of things. So whatever I need, I used it in this. So basically, I created a simple app where we can upload a whole zip of a project report to this, and we can start asking questions to the uh, chat app. So basically, I have used Gemini with Trello functions so that I can do the process quickly. So let's just jump into this. So first of all, I am uploading a zip. So basically, okay. So I'll just, this is an application which I have some code inside it. So I'm just calling it as trip.zip. So it's a trip analyzer kind of app. So I have uploaded it. So yeah, you can see the upload is in progress. So currently we have used the multi-part upload where we can upload a bigger file. So currently upload is happening. Once it uploads, the extract, I mean the unzip will happen. And once the unzip will happen, all the files get uh, processed and kept in our Trello system. So let's just wait. So currently it is extracting the files. Let's just see. Okay, so it got extracted. Now I think the files are getting ready in the system. Let's just wait. So everything is getting finalized. Since this could be a bigger repo, it's taking time. So basically, we know extracting the zip. So everything is happening with a single function calls. So for upload, there is one function. For extracting, there is one function. For getting finalized, we are doing some functions. So which makes us easier to do. We don't have, let's just wait for the finalizing status. Yes, so all the items got uploaded, so that got the files, structures, everything. So yeah, so what we'll do, I'll just start a new chat. So I'm just clicking on the new chat and okay, so what I'll do, so let's just ask what is the project about? Sorry, can you explain me? Okay, so basically what is this doing in the background? It goes to the file repo which we uploaded. It'll loop into that files in the Trello file structure. So basically, it'll go there and it'll read all the necessary documents and it'll give back the answer. So yeah, you can see. So it says the project is a kind of small AI trip planner, a web analyzer that generates. Okay, so and so on. So how it is created, what all um, technologies it has been used, and what it is doing. Okay, so that's fine. So now let's just ask. Can you explain me the open router code in this project? So basically, it said it used some open router thing. So maybe there will be some open router code. So which I don't know. So I am just telling it to scan itself and give me the output. So basically, as I said before, Trello is scanning the file from the AI is scanning the file from the Trello. So Trello within the tool call, it supports everything to do the process which an AI needs. And finally, after reading all of these things, we'll get back the output. So yeah, super. So what it did, it found there is something called openrouter.ts file contains this. Okay, so it read what all imports it has, chat interface, open router function. Then what it did, okay, we are using Quen 332B model. Okay, and yeah, so on. So it found the file from there and it brought the answer. So now let's just ask. Can you help me in changing model from Quen to Gemini uh, Flash? Sorry, Flash. And also let me know what is the impact of this change in the project. Let's just, okay, let's just try it out. So what I'm saying, I'm telling it to edit. So the same thing happened using the Trello SDK. We have an edit. We are doing an edit option over there to the files. So let's just see what it will do. Okay, so it started updating. Okay, so progress. Yeah. So okay, so I have updated open router TS. Okay, file that is fine. Uh, Gemini slash. Okay, 1.5 model. Okay, it used 1.5 Flash. Okay, that's fine. That's totally fine. Provided the restrictions. Okay. Impact of these changes. Okay, model change. This application is now Gemini Flash from Google instead of current model by default. Okay, okay, it changed. Okay, so leads the quality, speed, AI generated travel. Okay, so basically, yeah. So it did the change and it told what impact it will give for our project. Okay, this is totally fine. So it did the process. Now let's just do one thing. Um, let's download this specific file which it uploaded and let's just open in uh, an app. So can you give me the file to download which you updated before? So let's just try to ask it to give me the download link. Oh, that's cool. So it brought the open router TS. Let's just download this. Let's see what it did. So we downloaded the file and yeah, it changed the Gemini to Gemini model. So before it was like the Quen model. So now it changed to Gemini model and it made the changes to this file. That's fine. Totally fine. Okay. So yeah, I think I got changed to another tab. Yeah, now it's there. So okay, so this is fine. This is what the change I need. So basically, I've done the update. So you can update anything you want. So you can analyze the code base, you can ask questions about the code base, you can change the code, you can update as whatever you need. So once everything is done, what I'll do, I'll just so basically we know this is destructured and kept it in the what we say in the Trello files. So what I'll do, I need the whole project again, whichever I uploaded and updated. So what I'll do, I have an option for download zip. So I'll click on the download zip. So basically using the Trello files zipping feature, it'll zip the whole repository and it'll give a download link. So let's see what it will do. So basically the zipping is happening for the whole project. Okay, I think it got downloaded. Let's just open it up. So yeah, so it created a zip. Yeah, you can see is the whole project inside this. So we have the SRC, we have the lib, uh, then we have the static files. Okay, so it brought everything. So whatever we uploaded in a zip, it brought in uploaded zip and sorry, uploaded code file and it brought the zip. So let's just verify one more thing. So I think where is this open router? Yeah, this open router is here. Let's just open this. Yeah, you can see this where it changed the Google HTML. So you can see this is some of the code I have used to work with that code review helper. So yeah, that's it. Thanks. Bye.